Hey everybody, this is Mark from Foxwell. I'm unboxing the new OS100 lab scope. So what you get in your kit is a nice case and a lot of cables. So we'll start out with some literature from Foxwell and all the other diagnostic equipment they sell. A very handy instruction booklet. Inventory for your kit, and then we'll go through the components real quick. You've got a software disk so you can use the lab scope with something like this GT80 Mini, or you can use it with the GT90. If you don't have one of those scanners, you can actually use a laptop and load the Foxwell software on there. It does say it's for Windows-based PCs, so if you're a Mac person, sorry about that. Another inventory. And so with the kit, the main part of the unit is the lab scope itself. So it comes in a nice little bag. So you have a 4-channel oscilloscope with your inputs and your USB port. So we'll set that aside for now. We'll just put it back right here. So you have a set of alligator clips for connecting to the various input cables. You have some acupuncture probes for probing various cables in the car. A set of attenuators. Another set of alligator clips for inputs into the lab scope. Some multimeter probes, a USB type A cable, then you have your automotive test leads. There's for the 4 channels. So there's four of those in the kit. And what's not on the inventory are these 2 standard ignition cable high tension leads. So haven't seen those or read about those in the instruction manual, but I'm sure there's a use for it. And you also have a breakout lead, which looks like BMW, Audi, Mercedes-Benz type of connector, and a high tension probe cable connector. So, and I think, going through the inventory, that about covers it. So we'll be plugging the software into my laptop because I've got a car out front that's got some engine misfires, so we'll be plugging this into that to find out what's going on with misfires. So there you have it. That's the OS100 Foxwell lab scope.